Hi, hello, welcome to Homeschool. This is your Class 10 Mathematics NCERT or CBSE board. We are in a chapter 15, Surface Areas and Volumes, and your exercise number 15.3, first problem. A metallic sphere of radius 4.2 centimeters is melted and recast into the shape of a cylinder of radius 6 centimeters. Find the height of the cylinder. Let us draw the figure. A sphere having radius 4.2 centimeters melted and recast into the shape of a cylinder and having radius 6 centimeters. Find the height of the figure. Find the height of the solid. Let us understand the problem. Just imagine here, this is a sphere. This sphere is melted and recasted into the shape of a cylinder. Okay, you imagine any iron or any other, right? A solid cylinder is melted and recasted into the shape of a cylinder. And both the radius will be different. Sphere radius is 4.2 centimeter. Cylinder radius is 6 centimeters. You can imagine this with any play dough. I hope you all know about play dough, right? So take any one color, make a ball. Okay. Then again, do like this. You can make a cylinder. Then when you are converting the sphere into cylinder, does the volume of your play dough will be changing? No, it won't change. Same manner here, the total volume of a sphere is converted into cylinder. From this exercise, we are going to learn about the conversion of solids. Sphere is recasted into cylinder. Let us start a solution. Given radius of sphere R1 is equal to 4.2 centimeters. Radius of cylinder, two different radius, so we can write it as R1, R2. Radius of cylinder is equal to 6 centimeters and height of cylinder H is equal to question mark. We need to calculate height of the cylinder. Frame the formula. Volume of sphere is equal to volume of cylinder. Volume of sphere is equal to volume of cylinder. What is the volume of sphere? 4 by 3 pi r cube is equal to volume of cylinder pi r square h. And your main heading, use all problems pi is equal to 22 by 7 given. Now compare these two. Pi cancel. But in confusion, you may cancel r square. 1 r is left here, you may say. But never try to do that. Here radius is changing. So we need to write this one r1 and this one r2. Okay, don't forget to write like this. R1, R2. Now 4 by 3 into R1 is how much? 4.2 whole cube is equal to R2. 6 whole square into height. We don't know height, so let us multiply with height. Now this one, split this. 4.2 into 4.2 into 4.2 you can do, or decimal you can multiply 3 times. Anyway, you can go with your calculation. I go with 4.2 into 4.2, I'll write. 4.2 again, I will write it as 42 by 10 into 42 by 10 into 42 by 10 is equal to 6 6 36 into h will be 36h. Now this one, 2 21s, 2 5s. 21 5. 21 5. Okay. Is there anything to cancel? Yes. 3 7s are 21. And now Look here carefully. Again, you may cancel this side and that side. Or you may bring that 36 to the denominator and cancel. Anyway, you can cancel. Look here children, what left? I'll write 4 into 7 into 21 into 21 by 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125 into this 36, bring it down, is equal to h. Now again, 3 12s are 3 7s are 21. Again, 3 4s are 12, 3 7s are 21. And now this 4 will be cancelled. 7 3 times we need to multiply. Let's do here. H is equal to 7 7s are 49. 49 7s are 63, and here it will be 28, 28 plus 6, 34, 343. H is equal to 343 by 125. Look here, at a time if you interchange left hand into right hand side and right hand side into left hand side, no sign will be changed. Okay? Now cancel this one. 125 table, just you check it out. 125 twos are how much? It will be 250. Now 125 threes are, it will be 375. That means it is more. So let me take here 125 twos are 250. Subtract 3 minus 0, 3. 14 minus 5, 9. 93. Put a point. Okay. So put point here and take a 0. 125 table, where you get nearer 930. 125 fours are 5 fours are 20. 10. 500. 125 sevens are 7 fives are 35. 17. 875. Okay, I think it will be 875. Let me take here 125 sevens are 875. Again subtract this. 10 minus 5 will be 5. 12 minus 7 will be 5. 55. 0. 550. Again it will be 125 fours are 500. 50. So 500. Now 500. It is exactly 4s are 500, then 0, right? Therefore, height of the cylinder is equal to 2.744 centimeters. Therefore, height of the cylinder is equal to 2.744 centimeters. When a sphere is melted and recasted into the cylinder of radius 6 centimeters, then its height is 2.744 centimeters. Let's see the second problem. Metallic spheres of radii 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 10 centimeter. Now imagine 3 spheres. Look here, 3 spheres. Metallic spheres. First sphere having radius 6 centimeters. Second sphere 8 centimeters. Third sphere 10 centimeters. Okay, let us imagine this problem, children, before seeing the melting process and all. Okay, suppose 3 children are playing at home, right? We have given a play doh for them. One is having a sphere of radius 6 centimeters. Another is having a sphere of 8 centimeters. Another is having a sphere of 10 centimeters. This is a metallic sphere, but I am talking about a play doh. Okay. If 3 children are playing with 3 spheres, now I am going to collect that 3 doughs and then I am going to mix up and make a big ball. Are you able to imagine this problem? 3 spheres are combined to form a big sphere. What is that radius is your question. But in this problem, the three metallic spheres are melted and again recasted in the shape of a sphere. Let's see that line. Are melted to form a single solid sphere. Find the radius of the resulting sphere. And most of the people will do a small mistake. This big sphere radius, let me add all the radius, that is only the radius, you may think. But that is wrong. Okay, we should never do like that. How we are going to take the formula here? Volume of first sphere plus volume of second sphere plus volume of third sphere is equal to volume of big sphere. Okay, let's start our solution here. Given three spheres are melted to form a solid sphere. All are solid spheres only. Okay, three solid spheres are melted to form a big solid sphere. Radius of sphere 1, or you may take R1, is equal to 6 centimeters. Sphere 2, R2, radius of sphere 2, R2 is equal to 8 centimeters. Radius of sphere 3, R3 is equal to 10 centimeters. Radius of solid sphere, R let us take, is equal to question mark. From the formula, volume, we are talking about volume only now. Play-doh, if you see, three children, what they are playing with the dough, three spheres we have taken and combined to make a big sphere. Means we are talking about complete volume of the sphere. So take the formula, volume of sphere 1 plus, shortcut you can write, volume of sphere 2 plus volume of sphere 3 is equal to volume of solid sphere. Volume of solid sphere. Write the formula. What is volume of a sphere formula? It is 4 by 3 pi R1 cube plus 4 by 3 pi. Radius is different, so write with the R1, R2, R3. 4 by 3 pi R2 cube plus 4 by 3 pi R3 cube is equal to volume of solid sphere formula 4 by 3 pi. Let me take this as R. Pi R cube. Now among all these, what is common? 4 by 3 pi is common. Take out common. 4 by 3 pi R1 cube plus R2 cube plus R3 cube is equal to 4 by 3 pi R cube. 4 by 3 pi will be cancelled. And now substitute R1, R2, R3 values. That is 6 cube plus 8 cube plus 10 cube is equal to R cube. Okay? 6 cube. 6 6 36. 36 6 216. Plus 8 cube. 8 8s are 64. 64 8s it will be 512. 10 cube. 10 10s are 100. 100 10s are 1000. Is equal to R cube. Add this. 6 plus 2 8 and 2 7 1. 1728 is equal to R cube. R cube is equal to 1728. Remove this cube. When we remove this, apply other side, cubed root. Cubed root of 1728. Find out the cubed root. How much it might be? 12 12s are 144. 144 12s are, it will be 1728. If you want, you can please check it out. Now, R is equal to cubed root of 12 cube. Now, cube and cubed root will be cancelled. R is equal to 12. Therefore, Therefore, radius of solid sphere is equal to 12 centimeters. Therefore, the radius of solid sphere is equal to how much? 12 centimeters. 3 spheres combine to form a solid sphere. Volume of 3 spheres is equal to volume of that sphere. Okay. Let's see the third problem. A 20-meter deep well. Can you imagine the well? A 20-meter deep. Deep in the sense, height of the well. From here to here, height is 20 meters. A 20-meter deep well with diameter 7 meter. Diameter is how much? 7 meter. Is dug and the earth from digging is evenly spread out to form a platform. First, imagine this, children. What is this? A well. A well is dug and inside the well, the mud or the earth which is taken from that well is made to form a platform. A well is dug with a depth of 20 meters. Then when they are digging, what happens? The earth inside the cylindrical portion, that earth is taken out and made into a platform. What is that? The earth or the soil or the mud, whatever you can imagine. When digging this well is in which shape? Cylindrical shape. Right? This mud is taken to form a platform. That platform will be in the shape of a cuboid. Which shape it will be? Cuboid. Why we are saying it is cuboid? Here in your question you can see platform 22 meters by 14 meters said. The two dimensions are different. If the dimensions are same, we can say that it might be cube. Two dimensions are different, then we are going to imagine it as a cuboid. Find the height of the platform. Two dimensions given, we need to calculate height. Let us imagine length of the cuboid 22 meters and breadth of the cuboid 14 meters. We have to calculate height of the cuboid. How much height this platform is done. How did we get the platform there? By digging the well, the earth taken from this well is made to form a platform. Imagine, children, how we are going to solve this problem. Volume of a cylinder is equal to volume of a cuboid. Right? Solution. Given in a 20-meter deep well, 7-meter diameter is dug and the earth from digging is evenly spread out in a shape of a cuboid platform. Which shape it is? Cuboid platform. Let us write the dimensions. Length of cuboid L is equal to 22 meters. Breadth of cuboid B is equal to 14 meters. Height of cuboid. Here we have cylinder height and cuboid height. So let us differentiate with H1 here. Height H1 is equal to, we need to calculate this one. Given well is in the shape of a cylinder. Well will be in which shape? It is in the form of a cylinder. Height of cylindrical well is equal to, height H2 is equal to 20 meters. Diameter is equal to 7 meters. Radius R is equal to 7 by 2 meters. Or you may write 3.5 also you can write. Volume of earth dug from well is equal to volume of platform. Volume of earth dug from the well, which shape it is? Cylinder. That is, volume of cylinder is equal to volume of cuboid. What are the formulas? Volume of cylinder. Pi r square h. Height h2 no? Pi r square h2 is equal to volume of cuboid. Length into breadth into height, it is h1. Let's continue the problem here. Pi value is 22/7. R value, what is the radius of cylinder? 7/2. 2 times R square, no? 7/2 into 7/2 into H2 20 is equal to LBH, length, breadth, height. Length is 22, breadth is 14. We don't know height. 7 cancel. 2 11s are, and here 2 10s are. What you are left with? 11 7s are 77. 77 10s are 770 is equal to 22 into 14 multiply, children. It will be 22 into 14. That will be 308. 308H. 308 is multiple. Send this side. It will be divided. At a time you can interchange. 308H is equal to 770. H is equal to 770 by 308. Now again divide with 308. 308 770. Do division. 308 2s are, how much it will be? 616. Yes? Substitute here. 308 2s are 616. 10 minus 6 4. 6 minus 1 5. 7 minus 6 1. We can't get 154 in 308. So put a decimal point and take a 0. Okay, you have a 0 here. Let us guess 5. 8 5s are 40. 15. Yes, exactly. That is 5s are 1540. Therefore, H is equal to 2.5 is your answer. What is this H? H actually it is H1. You take H1 only here. H1. Therefore, height of cuboid platform. Height of cuboid platform. H1 is equal to 2.5 meters. What is the height of this platform? 2.5 meters. This is only the one we need to calculate. Understand the problem here carefully. The earth dug from the cylindrical well is made to form a platform. This earth taken out, the mud or the soil which is taken out from the cylindrical portion is made to form a platform. Volume of cylinder is equal to volume of cuboid. Then we are going to find the missing value. With this, we are going to end our session. In our next session, we are going to continue with this exercise. Until that, keep watching. Thank you all.